using the angle grinder, always remember, of course, to never keep your finger on the trigger. So right here, we have a bolt that's just sticking up slightly above the plate. So we want to grind that down so that when we install our door plate sits nice and flush, and this bolt won't be holding our sill plate up. Something to do is always adjust the plate so that it shoots the sparks in a direction where it's not actually going to aim towards someone else nearby, but in a safe direction away from your body and away from anything else. So once you have it facing the proper direction, if it's your first time using the angle grinder, just hold it in the air away from anything. Just pull the trigger and you can feel that it kind of lifts up. You can feel the torque. So just now that you're aware of the power of the angle grinder, you can begin using it. Make sure to wear your safety glasses, eye protection, and gloves are very important as well. Not only for vibration, but to keep from any burns from the sparks. Also, if you don't have any safety glasses or you don't feel that they are sufficient, you can wear a full face shield instead, and then that way, if any sparks are to deflect off of something else that's nearby, or just as you change your angle, the sparks end up coming back towards your face a little bit, you won't feel any burn from the hot grindings of the metal coming back at your face. So you can also wear a full face shield or just the safety glasses, whichever you prefer, but I would definitely suggest the face shield if there's potential sparks coming back anywhere near your face. So I'll begin grinding. Okay. So now, of course, you don't want to touch that. That's going to be very hot from just grinding it. As well, one other pointer is that this isn't a cutting wheel. So you can't just drive the edge of the blade into the metal. You want to kind of grind it down with the thick surface of the grinding wheel. So just like this. And that's how you use the angle grinder.